Hi everybody, it's the winter season and the backyard lemon tree is overloaded with lemons. With the result, the house is also overloaded with lemons. So we're going to make today my most favorite sweet and sour lemon pickle that is so good and good for you, especially for your stomach. This has become my annual project and the pickle lasts me all year long. And yes, this is the instant kind that will cook in a pot or a pressure cooker and it's ready to eat the very next day. To make the lemon pickle, we'll first take the lemons and cut them into the desired shape. I'm taking 7 big lemons, so that should be about 12 to 14 of the small ones. Now these are seedless lemons, but I recommend that you remove the seeds if you're using a seeded variety. Put them in a pressure cooker or any pot with a little water. I'm using about 1/3 of a cup since these lemons are really juicy. Next, go in the salt. I'm using black rock salt as well as the ordinary white salt. You can totally use just the white. Next, go in the black pepper, a piece of cinnamon, and some crushed ajwain or carom seeds. And yes, a teaspoon or 2 of ground ginger powder, or if you don't have it, then use a thumb size of fresh ginger and add it to the mix. We'll mix everything well and then pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles until the lemons are soft. And again, if you're using a regular pot, then you're going to cook the lemons. You could cover and cook them till the time that they are soft. So while the pressure cooker does its thing, let's get the container for putting the pickle ready. Now I love ceramics, and even though this pot is old and chipped, I love it. Now we want to make sure that the container is thoroughly cleaned and dry, and also that the spoon that you use for taking out the pickle is always clean and dry, otherwise the pickle can go bad. Once the pressure cooker is cooled down naturally, we'll open it up, check to see if the lemons are cooked and soft. So since these lemons are cooked, I'll move on to the next step. Now as you can see, the pickle is very runny, so we'll crank up the heat and thicken it up. We'll also add about 3/4 of a cup of sugar, that's brown sugar or gur at this point. Now you can totally omit the sugar if you like, but I like this pickle to be sweet and sour. I realize that the sugar adds calories, but this is a pickle, so a little goes a long way. After 15 to 20 minutes, the pickle looks like this, and at this stage, I'll go ahead and switch off the stove because it thickens as it sits as well. And once it cools down, this is what it looks like. It's yummy and delicious and sweet and sour, and it also may taste a little bitter at this stage, but that bitterness goes away as it sits. So I recommend that you have it in a day or two. So there you have it. I hope you try it and write into me and tell me what you thought of it. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I'll see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.